Good morning, student. This is class 11th math, and today's thought is everything around you is a mathematics. Means when you're going to purchase something, that involve a mathematics. When you exchange something, that involve also a mathematics. So you can see that in every life activities there involve mathematics. So everything around you is on mathematics. Now today's date is 26th of June 2021. This is new exercise. Before we starting the new exercise, we need to study some important point here. This is Argand plane and the polar representation. Argand plane and the polar representation. What is the Argand plane? What is the Argand plane? So firstly we need to study about the Argand plane. You know that any plane is divided into the 4 points. And by the 2 axes. The horizontal axis is known as the x-axis. You know that it is x-axis. It is x-axis. And the vertical axis is known as the y-axis. Y-axis, this is x-axis. And it is y-axis. Now, you know that in the coordinate geometry, you know how to locate a ordered pair of a point. If you need to locate x comma y, like 3 comma 4, then how can you locate 3 comma 4? 3 comma 4, since you know that in first quadrant x and y are positive, in second quadrant x is negative, y are positive, in third quadrant both x and y are negative, in fourth quadrant x is positive and y is negative. So if you need to express 3 comma 4, then this 3, x is here 3 and y is 4. So this is the location of point 3 comma 4. Similarly, if you represent minus 2 comma 1, this is minus 2 comma 1. It is minus 2 comma 1. And if you represent minus 2 comma 2, so this point is minus 2 comma 2. So these are the location for ordered pair of x and y. In the similar manner, we can express the complex number x plus y in a plane. X plus y in a plane. Like if we represent minus 2 plus 3i, minus 2 plus 3i, how can we locate it? In a plane. Similar manner, we have to represent in a plane only taking out the ordered pair. From 2 plus 3i, the ordered pair is minus 2 comma 3. Minus 2 comma 3. This real number is expressed on the x-axis and the imaginary number is expressed on the y-axis. If you want to represent minus 2 plus 3i, then the representation of minus 2 plus 3i in a plane is here. It is minus 2 plus 3i this is minus 2 and it is 3. This is minus 2 plus 3i. This is the representation of the minus 2 plus 3i. It is expressed in the similar manner as you express the ordered pair. The x-axis is known and x-axis is known as the real axis and y-axis is the known as the imaginary axis. So here the ordered plane and the polar representation with the plane having a complex number assigned to each of its point is called complex plane or the eigenplane. Means now it became a complex plane in which you can express a complex number is known as the eigenplane or a complex plane. Its expression is like the ordered pair of x and y. Only you need to remember one thing: the complex form is represented. Suppose you have to represent only this one, or only you have to represent I in a complex plane. So what is the ordered pair of this one? This is 0, 1. This is 0, 1. And the representation of 0, 1 is this one, 0, 1. So you have to remember one thing. This is the imaginary axis and it is a real axis. It is the real axis. When you represent 1, 0i, 1 plus 0i, then what its representation is here? This is the representation of 1 plus 0i. This point represents 1 plus 0i. So you can say that x-axis is the real axis and y-axis is the imaginary axis. Now, if suppose you have given a complex number, z is equal to 3 plus 4i. Z is equal to 3 plus 4i. And 3 plus 4i is here, this point, 3 plus 4i. This is the complex number. In order form, you can write down 3, 4. And if you need to find out its distance from the origin, then what is the distance of the origin? Only you need to find out the modules of z. This is 3 square plus 4 square. Means modules of z gives you 9 plus 16. This is 5. So you can say if we need to find out the distance of any complex number from the origin, then we have to only obtain its modules. Suppose you need to find out the distance of 5i from origin. Then what is distance from what is the distance of this complex number from origin? Then only you need to find out the mod of that. This is 0 square plus 5 square means it is 5 unit. Similarly, if you need to find out the distance of 1 minus 2i, then what distance is here? This is 1 square plus minus 2 square means it is root 5. It is root 5. It is root 5. Now, one thing is known, how we represent a complex number and its inverse function. Suppose you have given z is equal to 3 plus 4i. Now, if you need to represent z inverse, if you need its find out the conjugate is 3 minus 4i. 3 minus 4i, this 3 plus 4i is here. Now if you need to represent 3 minus 4i, then 3 minus 4i is here. You can see that this is the image of that one. This is the image of that one. That's why we can represent a complex number and its conjugate in a plane. complex number and its conjugate in a place.